Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Canva. If you want to get started with Canva, then here are some quick steps to follow. First, make sure to download the Canva application on your mobile device, or you can also visit canva.com on a web browser. So open the application on a device and then you'll come across this interface. You can continue signing up for free by choosing one of the social networks. You can log in with your Apple ID, Google account, Facebook account, email, as long as with your mobile number. Go ahead and select one of the method you want to sign up with. I'm going to choose the continue with email option. Once you tap on it, you'll need to enter a valid email address for yourself. Once you provide an email, tap on the continue button. On the next page, it'll ask you to enter the code that has been sent to the provided email. Go ahead and open up your email inbox and you'll receive an email from Canva. Now copy the code and paste it inside the Canva code text box. Soon after you paste in the code, you'll be able to create a new account for Canva. So that is how it can be done. You can now start exploring Canva's feature and begin creating design. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.